Hello everyone. So in our previous video we discussed about the time complexity of an algorithm, and we will discuss more on this in our upcoming videos. So in this video we will discuss about the space complexity of an algorithm. So the first thing which comes into our mind is what is space complexity. So in simple terms you can say that space complexity is basically the amount of memory or space taken up by an algorithm to run. So friend, let's say we have this two algorithm written by two different programmers, Ramesh and Suresh. Now in order to determine that which is the best possible algorithm, one constraint is the time complexity, which we discussed in our previous video. The other is the memory required to process the input by an algorithm basically helps in determining the space complexity. So usually we even measure that how much space this algorithm is taking and how much space or memory this algorithm is taking, and whichever is taking the less memory, we simply choose that algorithm, because when we run these algorithms with a system having so many users, it may happen that our memory get exhausted. So we try to fit in the best possible algorithm which takes less memory. So here when we calculate the time and space complexity, we never go into the exact numbers. There are certain mathematical tools which help us in determining the time and space complexity of an algorithm, and we usually term them asymptotic analysis of an algorithm. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss more about the asymptotic analysis and its notations, and we will also discuss that how we can use those mathematical tools to determine the time and space complexity of an algorithm. I hope you have liked this video. Thanks, have a nice day.